Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this class, we can study how can we find out the percentage of a number in a simplest way. Okay, for that we are using two methods. The first method that we are discussing is the direct multiplication method. 20% of 50. In normal way, we are finding the 20% of 50 as 50 into 20 divided by 100. So these zeros will be cancelled out. So 5 into 2, the answer will be 10. We can directly find out it in an easy way. From here, we can cancel these two zeros because while finding the percentage, we are actually dividing the number with 100. So we can cancel these zeros. Then 2 into 5, the answer will be 10. We can solve a similar question. 30% of 90. How can we solve it? Here we can cancel these two zeros, then directly multiply 9 into 3, it is 27. So the 30% of 90 will be 27. Now 25% of 30. How can we solve this? Here it is only one zero. Okay. Now let's multiply this 25 into 3. It is 25 into 3, 75. But there is only one zero. A zero is missing. One zero is missing. So we can just shift this number and place a point here. So the answer will be 7.5. From the question itself, we can understand that 25% of 30 means it is of course less than 30. The 25% of 30 will be less than 30. It will not be 75. So the possibilities are either it is 75 or 7.5 or 0.75. 75 is greater than 30, so it will not be the answer. 0.75 is very less, so the answer will be 7.5. Now a similar question, 20% of 43. Here also only one zero is there. Let's multiply 2 with 43. 2 into 43, 86. 86 is higher than this 43. So here only one zero. Then put a point here. So 8.6 will be the answer. The next method that we are discussing is the splitting method. Now consider this question, 65% of 80. It is a higher number, so it is difficult to multiply. So we are using another method, that is splitting method. In splitting method, we are actually splitting this number. 65, how can we write 65? 65 can be write 60 plus 5 percentage of 80. Okay. So first find out this. What is 60% of 80? Here also two zeros that we can cancel. 6 into 8 it is 48 plus 5% of 80. What is the 5% of 80? 5 into 8, 40. Here only one zero. Here there is no zero. So just put a point here. So it will be 48 plus 4, that is 52 will be the answer. The same question we can do in a different way also. Here make this 65 like this and we can split this 80. 8 can be write as 100 minus 20. So just 65 into 100. We can cancel these two zeros. Then it will be 65 minus then 65 into 20. Only one zero is there. 65 into 2, 130. Since here it is 1 0, just put a point here. Then 65 minus 30 will be 52. Consider this question, 48% of 55. How can we write 48? 48 can be written as 50 minus 2 is 48. Right. Percentage of 55. Okay. Now multiply this with this. That is 50 percentage of 55. 50 percentage means half of this number. So half of 55 is 27.5 minus 2 into 55. 2 into, here there is no 0, just multiply 55 into 2, that is 110. But actually while finding the percentage we are dividing it with 100. So we need 2 zeros. Here there is no 0. So we can just shift these two numbers and place a point here. Then on subtraction we will get the answer as 26.4. Now a similar question, 49 percentage of 35. So 49 can be written as 50 minus 1 percentage of 35. First multiply this with this 35 into 5. Otherwise we can, it is 50 means just half of this number, that will be 17.5. Okay, otherwise while multiplying we will get 175. Just shift a point and place a point. Okay, then it is 17.5 minus 1 into 35. It will be 0.35 because there is no the missing of 20. Then we are shifting this result like this, 0.35. Just do the division. Just do the subtraction. 17.5 minus 0.35. Here it will 5, this is 4 minus 3, 1.71. It will be 17.15 is the answer. We can do one more question. 26 percentage of 54. How can we split this 26? We can split this 26 as 20 plus 5 plus 1. Right? 20 plus 5 plus 1 is 26. Percentage of 54. First 2 into 54. 2 into 54, 108. Here there is 1 0, just place a point here. Plus 5 into 54. 5 into 54 is 270. Since there is a missing of 20, we can shift these 2 points and place a point here. So it will be 2.7. Then plus 1 into 54, 54. But here also the missing of 20. Then we can shift 2 point and place a point here. Okay. Now add all these. 10.8 plus 2.7 plus 0.54. It will be 4. This will be 20. Then the 2 is remaining. Add that 2. This is 10 plus 2, 12, and the remaining 2, it is 40. This is the percentage. 20% of 54 is 14.04.